Assalamu alaikum, welcome back on the Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video I will share questions related to IBA screening test paper that was held on 22nd January 2023 in the morning shift. I will share questions related to everyday science portion from question number 76 to 85. Question number 76, which one of the following is an example of decomposition? Read the options and the right option is C. Question number 77, the study of heat changes in chemical reactions is called thermochemistry. 78, the reaction which releases heat energy is called exothermic. The basic physical and functional unit of heredity is called gene. Number 80, the molecular model of DNA which suggests the basic mechanism of DNA replication was proposed by James Watson and Francis Crick. Question number 81, in the bacterial cell, the DNA is found floating in the nucleus. Question number 82, convex lenses are also known as converging lenses. Question number 83, the light sensitive part of the eye is retina. Question 84, solar panels contains solar cells which are called photovoltaic PV cell. Question number 85, Galileo Galilei used the telescope first time in the human history to observe Jupiter, Saturn and Venus. Subscribe to the Educational Academy for more videos.